A concerning trend has emerged in the white-collar job market. Wage growth is failing to keep up with inflation. This means that, despite their efforts, many professionals are finding themselves in a financial bind. Bankrate's insightful analysis, utilizing data from the Bureau of Labor Statistics, reveals a stark reality. Financial activities and professional services, traditionally seen as stable and lucrative, are now falling behind in terms of wage increases. This adds to the already challenging landscape for white-collar workers. Sarah Foster, an economic analyst at Bankrate, paints a grim picture. She highlights how both new graduates and experienced professionals are struggling to find opportunities. The job market is frozen, leaving many in a state of limbo. But here's where it gets interesting. Some sectors are thriving. Healthcare and hospitality, which heavily rely on in-person services, have experienced robust wage gains. Foster attributes this to the high demand for these services post-pandemic. It's all about supply and demand, she explains. If your labor is in high demand, you have more bargaining power. Leisure and hospitality, for instance, saw significant wage increases as businesses scrambled to restaff after pandemic closures. This gave workers an advantage, helping them keep up with rising prices. However, Foster cautions that even with these wage gains, many workers still feel the pinch of inflation. Those in lower-paying sectors like hospitality and retail may not have the financial cushion to absorb rising costs. So, what can white-collar workers do to improve their financial situation? Foster suggests staying put and having an open conversation with your boss about your value to the company. This could be done during your annual review or even sooner. Jenny Wood, a career advice expert, agrees. She recommends asking your boss what you need to demonstrate to secure a raise. It's about understanding the expectations and showing your worth. But here's the catch. Switching jobs might not guarantee a significant raise anymore. Data shows that the gap between job stayers and switchers has narrowed. Job switching was a reliable strategy in the past, Foster says, but that's no longer the case. Had you experienced this wage stagnation? How have you navigated these challenges? Share your story, and let's discuss the strategies to overcome this hurdle.